Guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is my Boxycharm review video. I do this monthly here on my channel. Last month I had upgraded to the premium box and found out basically when you upgrade you get both boxes and you pay the $35 and the $25. So someone commented and let me know that you have to do that for the first month and then you can cancel the base box and just get the premium box, but I forgot to do that for this month, so I should be having a base box coming, and I don't know why they don't come at the same time, or maybe it cancels. I don't know, that'll be TBA. Anyhow, let's jump into it. So first things first, look at this box. It legit looks like it got chewed on, cut on. Boxycharm I order from like their little pop-up shops, or like you get the little charms. Lately their packaging has been piss poor. I mean, just piss poor. And I understand that like you're paying a smaller amount of money for these products, but it's the experience. You know, you get a surprise. You're supposed to be getting like more high-end products, and then when it just comes mangy as fuck. Last month, one of my products, the mirror was broken. A product that I paid for outside came. It was a foundation. The dropper was broken. And like I have complained, I think, in the past about something, and then they're like, sorry, we're out. But they did do something to rectify it. So I am going to complain again, just because this is becoming a pattern. I usually just honestly don't like messing with shit. But now that this is becoming a pattern, it's like, come on, do better. Like, people are spending their money on this, so I know I can't be the only one getting like damaged goods. So that being said, I opened up the box. This is a big box, right? Look how big this box is. And it had one sheet of like the bubble wrap and then the foam piece that they put in to kind of keep the products safe. I don't know. Everything was intact. Like, everything was intact. This box here was a little mangy, so clearly the damage did go within the box, or maybe it's at their warehouse that the damage is happening, because I did notice, actually, let's just talk about the damage first. So I got a MAC lipstick, and I don't know if you can see this, but it's like somebody sliced it right there. Yeah, I don't know, it just kind of fucking sucks, because honestly what I like to do with the products that maybe wouldn't be for me is I like to gift them, and I'm not about to gift somebody some like busted ass box. It's just not gonna happen. But let's jump into the products. I tested out products. I didn't want to do a try on this time. It's hot. I just kind of wanted to go over it. So I tested out some of the products and we'll just go over it. They, again, did not send a card. So we're back to that. I think I got a card. I think only one. I don't know. Lately it's hit and miss on even if you get like the card that has the description, the price, which is part of it. It has the theme of that month's box. I don't even know the theme of this box, so I'll try to look that up and then put some pricing down in the description or at least a value, because I don't know, for me it's like I kind of like to know the value. It's not like I don't review these products as if I went out and bought them. I review them as such that they came in a box that I paid, you know. Anyhow, so let's get on. Since I'm holding the MAC lipstick, so it's cool to get like a MAC lipstick. I think they run normally $18. You're gonna hear my pets, they're running amok. It is, you know, this cute pink. It's probably not for everybody. I am a sucker for a pink lipstick. This is the color Snob, but definitely something you could mix with like a certain liner if you want to like switch it up a little bit and make it more, I don't know, more wearable for a non, because I know some people just don't like pink lipstick. It's all about like the nudes, right? Or a good red, right? Okay, so that was one thing, and I'm happy with that. And then I tried out, I got this, what is this? CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. This cream right here, I haven't really looked into. So it says that it will deeply hydrate the skin without being greasy to visibly brighten dull skin, fight the signs of dehydration and damage, and provide advanced antioxidant support. Okay, cool. So I only used it once, and it feels really nice on the skin, and it smells really, really good. I hear a lot of good things about Sunday Riley. It's not a brand that I've used a lot of to form a full opinion, but I do know that they are a little bit more expensive, so I imagine this alone is worth the $35 of what the box is. Let's get into this other mangy box. What is this? Oh, so this is a XL lash volumizer. Dermalect, I think is the brand. So this is a eyelash and eyebrow booster formula. Transforms lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. So is it like a growth serum, or is it a fiber type of thing? Smells familiar, and I do like how that smells. Not that it matters that this like smells good, but I don't know, is this supposed to be like almost like a, you know, those serums that help hair growth? So I'll have to look into this product, because I don't know if it's something that, it sounds like a conditioner that maybe is supposed to strengthen the hair, so it's not used as like, what are those little fibers, lash primer type stuff. I mean, if it works, cool. I do know Grande Lash Serum. That shit worked really well for me. And then, oh, also, so I tried this today because I did self-tan, and I like to exfoliate before my self-tan. So Daily Concepts Detox Massaging Brush. And this one, it looks like they have a gentle, mild, and a vigorous. And this one is the vigorous, and it is pretty intense. But I love that it's like this little wooden paddle. And then it has like a little thing right here, and it has like little rubber knobs and bristles. It is pretty, what they use, vigorous, it is. So, but you can apply a certain amount of pressure. Would not use this on your face or even chest area, just because that's a delicate skin area, but to use, you know, just to like lightly brush over before self-tanning or to exfoliate your body, go for it. Just go with a light touch. I put a little bit of soap on it to like get a lather, so it just wasn't going in with rough bristles. Just so you know. So this I did not try. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Splashes. This is the waterproof mascara. I hear people rave about the regular ones, so I imagine this is okay, but it's waterproof, and I didn't feel like putting on waterproof mascara. I only wear that for certain occasions, and I can't even think of one right now that I would wear it for. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't wear it daily, so I didn't want to open it because I don't know if I'll use it. Maybe I'll give it to somebody who's into like waterproof mascaras. Last but not, I wish I had the fucking prices. I should have looked them up. Shit, my bad. You know what? I'm tired. So I have the Editor Palette by Ciate London. Here's the little unicarton. And then this is the packaging, which I do think is really cute. Let's open it. Has a good size mirror for anybody that gives a shit. And then here are the colors. No names on them. you have what? I used this palette today. It's a palette. It worked. I mean, it blended fine. Cute enough. Wouldn't purchase on my own, but not mad about getting it. Honestly, probably would even gift this to somebody, but I already used it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 mats in it. What's 3 times 6? 18, and it's an 18 pan shadow. So if you are into shimmers, or even just to like complement maybe an all matte palette that you have kicking around, definitely, you know, it's cool. It has like this cool blue. Is that it? Yeah, that is. It's like a satin finish. What color did I like? I liked this like maroon. It's like, that's like a rose gold. So there's like a pretty like blue rose gold, and this is the eye look I did. Nothing fancy, just to kind of test it out. I had no problems with it blending. The formula's fine. It's just not for me like fully exciting, but I could see where it would be exciting if you are into shimmers, just because there's some fun shimmers to play with. That gold is pretty. Doesn't, oh. Almost like when I went and put my finger in it, it like got like more dull. It is pretty though. Yeah, it's pretty. I like to look like outside of the bright lights, because these sometimes could be your friend and or foe. But yeah, I'll use it again. Cute. It's cute. And I do really like this cute like pink packaging. It's plastic. I know it's not recyclable. That's a bummer. Yeah, it is this. I did my math right finally. So yeah, so that is the box. So again, it's a bit disappointing that I continuously do not get the card. I get damaged products. I mean, if the box is damaged, it's like, okay, let's move past that. But when I go inside, and then even if it is just the boxes on the inside and not the products, it is still coming to you damaged. It wasn't on sale that way. Like, it is still damaged goods. And I think that they really, I don't know if they have like a quality control team that like looks at this shit or packs it, but I am gonna go ahead and email them, just because it has been very much a pattern. Anyhow, I mean, it's still worth the value of the money. I'm really happy to get the Sunday Riley. I do like this brush. I bet this brush is probably like a $25 brush, maybe even $30. Wouldn't know if I had the fucking card, but I don't. Anyhow, guys, that is the Boxy Premium for this month of August. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Let me know what you got in your box. If anything was damaged in your box, how do you feel? Do you feel like they're kind of falling off because the whole missing cards and damaged goods? This wasn't a thing like a year ago, but I've just noticed, yeah, maybe over the past like 9 months, things getting a little bit more like, let's upgrade all these boxes and doing the most, where it just, I mean, I know it's a business and about money, but it's just seeming more about money, less about quality. And that's kind of a bummer, because I've always really enjoyed the boxes and looked forward to them. Anyhow, like, subscribe, have a good day. Thank you. Bye. Bye.